Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 5 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 20 conjunctions. Okay, so if you have not watched part 1, part 2, so you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, part 1 and part 2 we have briefly discussed about all the usage of the different conjunctions. Okay, so here in this video we'll discuss about on the exercise question answer here. So see how conjunctions join the parts in these sentences. Underline each conjunctions. Okay. So here it was cold, so I wore my mittens. So here the conjunction so is used. Okay. As so is used to give reason or cause. It was cold, so I wore my mittens. Right. The next year I wash my hands and feet after playing outside. So here the conjunction and is used. Okay. Then next here I jumped and danced because I did well in the test. So there are two conjunctions have been used like and also because. Right. So here and is used to join the two verb danced and jumped. Okay. And because is used to join the two sentences, right? So I jumped and danced. This is one type of sentence, and here I did well in the rest. This is also sentence. So here both and because conjunctions have been used. Then next here I was feeling sick, but I went to school. So here the conjunction but is used, right? Contrast. So but is used to show the contrast, right? Then next here. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions. These players can bat. Okay, so here already first one is already provided and bowl very well. Then next, my friends had to wait in the queue for tickets for quite long, but they are quite patient. They were both cheerful and calm. Okay, so here but is used to show the contrast. Okay. Then next, there is a heavy rain, so the match has been suspended. Reason to show the cause. Why the match has been suspended? Because of heavy rain, right? Then next here, the match will start when the rain stops. So here, when is used to represent the timing. When the rain stops, the match will start. Then next, you may dash wait dash you may go home, right? So here choice. You may either wait or you may go home. Then next, I can't leave the stadium because I am the umpire. So here reason. Why you can't leave the stadium? Because as I am the umpire, I can't leave, right? Then next here join these sentences with the conjunctions. Will you have tea? Will you have coffee? So here the common part will you have, will you have. Then then next here tea and coffee. Okay, now you will have to join tea and coffee, both noun. Okay, will you have tea or coffee? That means choice. Here or is used to show the choice. Then next, she is tired. She can't sleep. This is contrast. She is tired but can't sleep. So here yet, but, though. Right? So here three conjunctions, here yet, but, though, they are used to show the contrast. So you can write here, though she is tired, she can't sleep. She is tired, yet she can't sleep. She is tired but can't sleep. Right? So here you can use these three conjunctions. Clear? Then next here they are watching TV, they are chatting. They are watching TV and chatting. Right? Then next here we bought tickets for a movie. We watched the movie. We bought tickets for a movie and watched the movie. Right? Then next, I will come tomorrow, I will call you to confirm my visit. So here, you have to write, okay. If I come tomorrow, okay, if, so here you have to write, if I come tomorrow, right, I will call you to confirm my visit. So here if will be used. Condition: if I come, then I will call you to confirm my visit. Right? Then next here, you work hard, you will do well in your exam. So here you work hard, so you will do well in your exam, or you can also use here if if you work hard, you will do well in your exam, right? So here so or if both can be used. Then next, he is not very strong, he works hard. So he is not very strong, but he works hard. So here what is used to show contrast, right? Then next here, use conjunctions to join the nouns, verbs, adjectives, prepositions and adverbs given below to form complete sentences. So you know here noun, planets, stars. So here you have to write planets and stars are celestial bodies, right? So here and is used to join the two nouns, right? Then next, quickly, noisily. So you know here both adverb is provided. The students ran into the field quickly and noisily. So you know here and is used to join the two adverb quickly and noisily. Okay. Then next, climb, run, two verb. Okay, climb and run. The thief climbed up the wall and ran away. So here climbed up and ran away. Clear? So here phrasal, so you know here preposition is added with the verb to make into a phrasal verb, right? Climbed up and ran away. So here and is used to join verbs, right? Then next, straight, broad. You know two adjectives. You have to join two adjectives using conjunction. The road is straight and broad, right? So here and is used to join straight and broad, two adjectives. Then next, sincerely fast, he performed. So you know here both are adverb, right? He performed all the task very fast but sincerely, right? So here what is used to join two adverb, okay, fast and sincerely. Okay. Then next, behind, in front of. So you know here two prepositions. The playground is in front of the school but behind the hospital. So you know here in front of, then behind. So here what is used to join two prepositions, right? Then next, able, ambitious. So here both are adjective. Santosh Yadav was a determined, able and ambitious girl, right? So here ambitious and you know able, both are adjective and it is joined, you know. So here conjunction and joins the two adjective, right? Then next here, underline the conjunctions in the sentences below. After each sentence, write what the conjunction has been used for in that sentence. One has been done for you. Okay. So first you have to underline the conjunction. Then you have to write its function. The windows as well as the door were open. Do you know here as well as is used to show the addition, right? Then next, he is bold yet gentle. So you know yet, yes, so here yet is conjunction. So here it is used to show the contrast. Contrast means you know yes, opposite, concession. Then next, buy either the red dress or the blue skirt. So you know here either or is used to show yes, choice. So here you have to underline either or and you have to mention here choice. Then next, I am not well, so I can't come to play. So reason, right? Why you can't come to play? Because I was ill, right? I am not well, so you have to underline so and mention to give reason, right? Then next, we are practicing as we have to sing in the school function. So why are you practicing? Because you know you have to sing in the school function. So here as you have to underline as and its function you know to give reason. So here as is used to show the reason, to mention the cause. Then next, my sister sings and dances. So here you know equal importance, right? Addition, my sister sings, my sister dances. So my sister sings and dances. So you have to underline and mention addition. Okay. Then next, it was quite dark because the rain clouds had covered the sky. So why was it, you know, why it was quite dark? The reason you know, yes, the rain clouds had covered the sky. So here you have to underline because and mention to give reason. Okay. Then next, she will come but she won't sing for us. So this is contrast. So as you know, but, yet, though, these are used to show contrast, right? So here you have to underline but and mention to show contrast, right? Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.